Forgotten username recovery failed on WalletHub App Fix. If you've tried to recover your WalletHub username and failed, most people get this wrong by entering the wrong email or skipping essential verification steps. The good news is that with the right approach, you can regain access quickly. Step 1. Open the WalletHub app or visit the login page and tap Forgot Username. Enter the email linked to your account. WalletHub will send a recovery email with your username or a secure link to reset your login credentials. Step 2. Check all email folders, including spam, junk, and promotions. Recovery emails often get filtered, so don't miss them. Avoid submitting multiple recovery requests too quickly, as this may temporarily block access. Step 3. If your registered email is inactive, gather key verification details such as your full name, date of birth, last 4 digits of your linked account or recent transactions. Contact WalletHub support directly with this information to expedite recovery. Step 4. Once you've retrieved your username, store it securely in a password manager or secure note. Enabling two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of protection, preventing future login issues. Following these steps ensures you regain access to your WalletHub account efficiently. Proper verification, patience, and secure credential management are key to keeping your funds, account history, and financial tools safe and accessible.